Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Trading Options. I'm TJ, and today we're going to be looking at Amazon, AMZN. Let's take a look at the chart. Here's the chart for Amazon. We're on the 4-hour, 180-day chart. Let me just tell you about these trend lines and levels that I have. We have a price line here at 2045. We have another level here at 2883, 3200, 3350, the all-time high at 3552. We have the downtrend from that all-time high on September 2nd, and we have our Corona recovery channel. Now, what I'm seeing on this chart is a lot of extended consolidation. Ever since we hit this new high on July 13th, we've pretty much been consolidating below this level. A couple times testing out and above, but we haven't gotten over this downtrend yet, and essentially we've seen about 5 months of consolidation below this price level. Let me zoom out, show you something else real quick. Now we have an uptrend here from 2017, 2018, and as you can see, we've still got a lot of room out and above this all-time high before we were hit this uptrend from a couple of years ago. What's really interesting to me on this chart, though, is what we saw a couple of years ago. So when we hit a new all-time high here in 2018 at 2052, we got rejected off of that price, came all the way back down into previous support, and essentially saw 18 months of consolidation before we broke out above that. And when we did, we saw a huge jump up to, new all-time highs from 2000 to 3550, a massive jump. So new all-time high, extended consolidation, break out to a massive new all-time high. I think we're seeing the same thing again here. So we hit this new all-time high, we've seen extended consolidation, and I think we're going to see some more. But when we do eventually break this downtrend, I think we're going to see a similar run-up that we saw here, possibly up to 4,500 or more. Amazon, and I'm going to zoom in back again just a little bit so we can look at some revenue numbers. But as you can see, revenue has been growing steadily, healthily. A couple of slow quarters, but this year, a great quarter one, a weird quarter two, which everyone had because of the pandemic, and then boom, instant recovery. This is an all-time revenue record. This is shattering that. It's very bullish revenue action, and we're seeing the stock flat, right? So when you see bullish behavior and consolidation, you know that this stock is coiling for a breakout in the future. So I think we're going to see a few more months of consolidation. At some point next year, we will break this downtrend, and when that happens, I think we'll see some fireworks. One last thing I'm going to mention before we close out the video, because I think there's a very close parallel between Amazon and what Shopify just did. Zoom into the 1-year chart. We could see this. Actually, we could do a 180-day. So Amazon did a similar, Shopify did a similar. Let me get rid of these alerts for you guys. Shopify came out, same thing in July, hit a new all-time high around this 1070 level, and they essentially, with a couple of breakouts here and there, they essentially have been consolidating below that level since July. So 4 or 5 months of consolidation after hitting a new all-time high. And then just on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of last week, we finally broke through this downtrend from that all-time high on September 2nd. It's very similar to Amazon. And when we broke that downtrend, boom, we saw a jump from 1070 up to over 1200. So more than a 10% jump on a massive big cap stock after the break of a downtrend. So I think we're going to see the same thing with Amazon. It's a bigger name with bigger revenue. It's just a bigger cap stock, so it's going to take longer. There'll be more consolidation. Like I said, maybe even up to 6 months more consolidation before this thing finally breaks this downtrend here. But you know, this thing is coiled. When it does, I think it's going to go, and like I said, it could go up to 4,000. It could go up to 4,500. It could possibly go even higher. But these revenue numbers are insane, and so this baby is getting coiled. But that's pretty much it. That's what I see for Amazon, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. I read all the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this one and other technical analysis, please subscribe. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.